Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to create action menu in action icon in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to create shortcut for the particular button in Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now, for custom button shortcut, what I mean to say is when you go to any of the records and when you click on Alt keyword in the keyboard, you can see the various buttons are shown, and if you press any of the particular character, the following functionality will be worked. For example, if I click on 1, I will move towards the book view as it was here. So with this type of functionality, we can reduce the use of mouse and we can simply add the particular specific key to the particular buttons. For example, currently you can see there are various buttons assigned to the particular function. Now, as you can see here, there are no particular key is assigned. Now, how we can assign a key to our particular button? Let's see. So, in order to do that, all you need to do is add the attribute access key to the following function. Now, in order to do that, let's go to the code. Currently, I am in the library book view, and in the book view, I will search for the button. Here is our button. Now, as you can see here, it is a borrowed button. What I will do, I will add an attribute access key is equals to. Now, in this access key attribute, you have to add which keyword you want to show when you want to run the function from the key. For example, let's see, we add C character as a access key. Restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading our module, let's go to the library management module, open any of the record. And now when I press Alt keyword from the keyboard, you can see C character is assigned to the particular borrowed button. And when I click on Alt plus C, the functionality will be working, and as you can see, the state is changed to borrowed. So with the help of this functionality, you can assign the key to the particular buttons. So in order to summarize today's lecture, what I have done, I have simply assigned a key to the particular button. In order to do that, all you need to do is go to your code in your view where you have the button, add the attribute access key followed by the key you want to assign to the particular button. Then simply restart your server and upgrade your module. You will see your functionality working. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.